We can do chocolate and rainbow. And, oh, we can do chocolate with a rainbow on top. We can draw a rainbow. Yeah?
Yeah, we have these.
We have these. Okay, Vincent.
On this.
And we got chocolate chips. Yum. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to mix sugar, chocolate, and a bit of flour with baking powder on one side. On another, we mixed some milk, 1 egg, and a bit of olive oil. Yeah? And then what we do with all of them together?
A cupcake.
But we mix them together. And then what we do when they mix together? We put it in the cupcake the sleeves, okay? Yes! Are you ready, Vincent?
And this is surprise for Mommy when we get back from work. Outside.
Okay, she's outside, we better hurry up then. Let's start by putting the flour here.
Look, I'm gonna eat this.
Ah.
And that's how we make cupcakes.
You eat the chocolate before we put it in the recipe. That's how we do cupcakes. Now, we're gonna shake it. Put the chocolate now. I see you still eating something there. Now we put the sugar. And what do we do? Shake it. Baking powder. Okay, so this is our dry, and now we need our wet stuff like the milk, the egg, and the olive oil on the other. You ready, Vincent?
Yeah.
All of it. 1, pour it. Pour it. 2. Pour it. Now we just put the egg in, but we need to break it first.
Now we put the egg in.
No. No! Oh no, we're gonna have crunchy cupcakes now. Mixy, 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 mixy. Mixy, 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 mixy. Slowly, don't get it out. Mixy, 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 mixy. Oh, there we go. There we go. And now we eat it like this.
No.
No. Sorry, I didn't check the recipe. We put chocolate chips.
Yes. We forgot to put the chocolate.
Ah, we forgot the chocolate chips. Quickly, in here. Pour it in.
I can do all of it.
Pull all of it. Ooh, look at them. You need to try one to see if it's good. Is it approved? Yes. Okay, all in. All in. Yes.
Mix. And some got through this.
Now you take a spoon and you start putting it inside. Don't fill them too much.
Not more.
Ah!
These
Okay.
ones are being together one now.
And we leave it about half so it doesn't come out, otherwise it's gonna explode! Try it. Is it good or... Ah, yummy! It gets better after being cooked, okay? Okay. Hey Vincent, what do we do now? Oven! We're gonna put it in the oven. And we go to the oven. And now we wait.
No, we put the timer on inside the cupcake.
Okay, we'll put the timer on, and in the meantime, we clean the kitchen. Yay! Cleaning, yay! Look at them! Wow!
Chocolate chip.
Look at that, mommy!
You want on your cupcake?
I want red!
Okay.
Just a tiny bit. I think we need to open them though. Do you want to try a little bit? Do you want to cut a little bit there? Oh! Try that little bit. There.
I get the blue one.
Is it good, Vincent? Good. Good, Mummy.
Good.
It's crunchy. Okay, Vincent. 3, 2, 1. Who's gonna win? Whoa. Ah, you need to squeeze so hard.
I can't do it.
Well, Mummy. Oh, look at what Mummy's doing. What you doing, Mummy?
That is our fifth chameleon.
You're gonna do Chameleon Lee. Ah, no! So cool. Look, Vincent.
Mommy, could you help me do
Yeah.
Lily?
Yes, let's do Lily together. We can make a colorful
Look,
wings.
Vincent, who's this?
Chameleon Lee.
That's right.
Shall we make Lily?
Yes.
Okay, first we do a little head.
Ah.
That's gonna be the butterfly end.
Ah, does it look like it's angry?
Now the wings.
Mommy, look at the chameleon here. On the cupcakes.
All the characters.
Yes.
That's gonna take so long.
Please, could you do it?
Mommy, please. It's harder than drawing it on your tablet, isn't it, Mommy?
Yes.
But it's super cool and we'll be able to eat it.
Let's make it. Let's add some color. What color shall? It has a bit of green on the bottom. These wings. Who should we make next? Shall we make Spiky?
You could do it too.
Let's make Spiky.
Let me see.
That's pretty.
Yes! Butterfly. Wow, Spiky.
Now,
Who's next?
Ben.
We got Spiky, Lily, and Lee. And now we're gonna do Berry.
Berry.
Ben.
Ooh,
That's gonna be very hard.
big one for Berry.
I think we're gonna try sprinkles now. Are you ready, Vincent?
We could have chocolate chip on those.
We got sprinkles.
We could try chocolate
Chocolate sprinkles. I'm just gonna put it there, like this. There. Chocolate. Okay. This is super cool. Do you know what we can do now? Vincent. We're gonna eat it! Yeah! Not yet.
It's a unipony.
We're gonna do Unipony. We got Unipony! Yay! Let's put it here. We got the flower! Okay. Lee, check. Lily, check. Vincent, check.
Vincent?
Found you. Spiky, Berry, Heart, Unipony, Mr. Mosquito. I thought I was flower. Yay! Well done, Mummy. Vincent, we're gonna eat it now, okay?
No.
No? Okay, gonna have lunch, and this is gonna be our dessert. Say bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Bye. Yum.
Join us for my experiments. Subscribe.